So thank you a lot for the invitation, and very happy to be with you. My foundation is promoting the circular economy. We try to implement this concept in all activities field, especially now, why not, tourism appears as a big sector. I will say first a few words concerning key aspects for the implementation of the circular economy. Then I will comment a little concerning the concept of tourism life cycle, and I will give a few examples of potential action in relationship with the circular economy in the context of tourism. Circular economy, what is it? But it's clear that it's recycling, but it's much more than recycling. Really, we have to take in consideration a hierarchy. First, to reduce the material resource we are consuming. Then we have to reuse the products we are consuming. And finally, effectively, we have to make some recycling with some waste recycling. So, circular economy is to rethink the way of life, is to redesign products we are consuming, is remanufacture some products, is repair some products, is redistribute, reuse, and is recover as much as possible material and energy. Also, we have to understand that circular economy is a concept with a lot of link with new business model, and especially the concept of product service system, so to not only to sell a product, but at the same time to offer a service, to develop synergy between activities in some territory, to develop some form of deposit system to reuse products, is much more hearing and leasing than selling, is reuse center, is recycle parks, is also the what we call now collaborative economy, or the sharing economy, some form of sharing of collaborative economy. One key point of this concept is to try to have a global view concerning the life cycle. And so, if we take the tourism, the concept of circular economy is to discuss first which is really the life cycle of the tourism. And there are some fields like marketing, publicity, mobility, accommodation, catering, animation, organization of events, waste management clearly, but also awareness and training, financing, and the general aspect of organization of the tourism. We can discuss if it's complete life cycle with this view, and if we take each aspect, like for example tourism marketing, which kind of new action, potential action are pushing by the concept of circular economy? Well, clearly is reduce the use of material resources. So communication, dematerialized communication is a good one, but in many cases digitalization is no less use of resources. So we have to think first about that. Clearly is to speak about circularity in the publicity about tourism. If you take the field of mobility, well, it's first the question, do we need to go very far? So it's the question of why not to have proximity tourism? It's the tourism by foot, by pedestrian, by bicycle, or is the tourism with less polluting vehicles? If we take tourism accommodation, well, potential action clearly are to promote sustainable infrastructure, sustainable construction. So the meaning of that is construction with local material, with reusable products or recyclable products, and clearly construction with high energy performance. One key idea is to have evaluation of the resource we are consuming, and we have to promote eco-auditing concerning energy, water, biodiversity. Especially the furniture inside the hotel must be reusable, must be recyclable. Why not? If we take the food, and Cynthia, I've just spoken about that, clearly the first question is why not to have more consumption of local and seasonal products, perhaps bio products, organic one. It's also the question to have a management with the just level of consumption of people and to promote selective collection and composting of biowaste or biomethanization. Globally, if we take the tourism organization at this moment, the question is awareness, training, collective intelligence activities for tourism in relationship with circular economy. Concerning also all kinds of new business model, and we could discuss, because there are a lot of new business model, the question is probably to have debate between people working in the field of circular economy and people working in the field of tourism to perhaps elaborate some form of regulation or some form of promotion of some aspect. At this moment where we are in Spain concerning circular economy strategy, there is a national one, but there are especially circular economy strategy at the level of the community, regional community. You have one in the Basque country, you have one in the Catalonia, you have Extremadura. Extremadura probably is the best example at this moment, because if you take the circular economy of Extremadura, you have a specific chapter with a lot of ideas concerning tourism and the relationship between circular economy and tourism. And I've been mentioning here a few ideas which are in this chapter. It's the promoting of different specific kind of tourism: health tourism, agrotourism, astronomical tourism, ornithological or rural tourism more globally, is connected with the idea of circular economy. The promotion of virtual vision of the region, organize some centralized reservation for specific sustainable tourism, to develop some sustainable tourism guide, to make training of professional concerning, and the use of the wording is probably confused because between sustainable tourism and circular economy tourism there are a lot of mix. Rehabilitation of traditional housing is in this strategy. Evidently the care of natural space. The elaboration of some specific price for tourism project with sustainable management, some brand for sustainable tourist accommodation, development of tourism offer in relationship with eco-gastronomic and or green experiences, with green specific activities we are in the region, and also to have some specific economic instruments, to have some form of eco-tax, especially for the preservation of natural tourist area. Conclusion. Conclusion, at this moment, it's not clear what is the relationship between ecotourism, sustainable tourism, and a tourism based on circular economy. There are a lot of discussion at this moment in Brussels concerning the indicators of circular economy. And there is a list of more than 100 indicators in debate. The problem is the relationship of this concept also with the green economy, of the resource-efficient economy, of the low-carbon economy. So we are in a moment where we have different concepts and we have a lot of discussion concerning indicators to have more objectivization of those concepts. Exactly as you have in your field. And I'm quite impressed by the serious work you are doing concerning objective and indicators and common language in that field. So I think that we have to clarify. We have to clarify the scope. And the scope is not only the territory, the destination territory, but the scope is also all the operators, all the actors of the tourism. And if we have a good vision concerning the scope of the tourism life cycle, at this moment we can try to have very simple but very common for benchmarking indicators. Probably at this moment, what we could do concretely is to see when we are using the EU eco-label, or when we are using sustainable tourism labeling, or when we are using some form of certification, which are the criteria which are used, and are those criteria in relationship with circular economy. Thank you very much.